If parents or family are against love marriage, how to cope with it?
I think pretty much the same answer I gave for caste. I think you got to be patient. I think you got to, answer them with love, and you got to really count the cost. If your parents are particularly godly parents, and if you both share the belief, I have the view that you got to really convince them and get their blessing, and not just throw them out and say I don't care for what you believe and I'll just go away. No. And when we say love is the will to do good, it is not just with a romantic partner. It's the same definition for your parents. Do you have the will to do good to them, and you don't feel like doing good for them? You feel like they're just being unrealistic, but can you still lovingly, talk to them, communicate with them, convince them, persuade them, plead with them, and just be patient and do it? And are you and your fiance are ready to wait that long? And that's something that you got to convince with your fiance as well. What I'm not for it is to just drop your parental relationship like the drop of a hat and just move on. I know people who pleaded, begged, persuaded, convinced, took years. They counted the cost as lovers. They were ready to wait till both their parents would be convinced, and they carried their relationship with such maturity and such almost like a model relationship that eventually parents have buckled. And I also know tragically some parents just wouldn't budge for various reasons. And sometimes I have found that very reluctantly, after having tried all efforts, because really believing that this person, the person that they've loved is the person that they want to get married with, reluctantly, but finally having exhausted all options. I also know people who have, had to drop their parents, but always keeping their line of communication open with their parents. They never closed their line. Maybe the parents closed, but they were keeping it open. I would actually recommend that. Try it all, give it with all your heart, and then finally take your decision. It isn't easy. It is extremely tough. If that is not a hypothetical question, if that's something that you're really going through, I can figure out how torn your heart is. But take courage and talk about this to your spouse and be like a model, matured couple and give all options and keep the line of communication always open.